how to change country or region on the Shein application. Now, this process is very straightforward and very easy to follow. So all I have to do first is, of course, launch or open up your Shein application. And before doing so, ensure that you're doing or running the latest version. Now, make sure that you're logged into the account which you'll be changing that specific account country. To change it, you should be able to see a Me tab located at the lower right portion of your screen. Hit on that, and then you will be redirected to your profile. But to dig deep into Shein settings, specifically on your account, you should be able to see a gear icon at the top right to simply tap on that as well. And then you will be seeing a location option. Tap on that, and this is where you can change the country or region based on your preference. Take note that if you change to a different country, your currency will automatically change as well. And that's it. That is how you change your country or region on your Shein app.